Shopify versus Squarespace. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be comparing Shopify and Squarespace, and we're going to be determining which website is better for artists. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. First, let's check out Shopify, and after that, we'll move on with Squarespace, and then we'll compare pricings with both of these two websites. So first up is Shopify. First, let's just sign up and see how it is. So the sign up process for Shopify is pretty easy. All you have to do is simply enter in your email and click on start free trial. After that, you'll basically have to verify your email address. And then once you've done that, you'll basically arrive at this dashboard, and just like that. And over here, all you have to do is just simply add your products, then customize your theme of your website, or choose a theme and then add logos and colors and stuff like that. And then down below you can add a domain. Basically, if you have a domain, you can add it, or you can just go ahead with the theme of store that Shopify provides. And speaking of themes, let's go ahead and see a couple of them. So if you click on online stores on the left side, over here we'll see quite a lot of options. We'll have blog posts, we'll have pages, navigations, and domains and preferences. What we want to do is check out themes, so simply click on themes. And over here, this is the current theme that I have over here, but we don't need to look at that. We need to look at the theme library. So over here, this is the theme library, and over here we can add a theme of ourselves. So we can connect GitHub and we can get some different themes as well, or we can upload the zip file for our own theme. But let's just check out the Shopify theme store. So these over here are the free themes. Click on explore free themes. And then over here, these are all the themes that are available to us for free. So there's a total of 81 themes, 71 are paid, and then the rest of the 10 are free. So these are the 10 free themes that we get over here. And as you can see, they're pretty cool. They get the job done. They aren't like really out there, like they're not super crazy. But if we check out the paid themes as well, let's get rid of the free themes. Like if we check out the paid themes, like they're pretty cool as well. Like they're pretty nice. They're still not out there. They're still not super crazy, but they're still pretty good. But the bad thing about them is that they're really, really pricey. Like over here, it's $250 with this theme. This one costs $220. This one costs $180. This one costs $280. Like as you can see, the themes are pretty expensive. So I guess they're not really worth it. So I would suggest sticking with the free themes for now. So to apply a theme, all you have to do is just simply click on a theme that you want, and then just simply click on try theme, and then that is basically it. Then the theme will be applied over to your store. As you can see, it's adding the theme on our online store, and once it's done that, it'll basically take us back to our dashboard to show us that theme. And that's that. It's really simple, it's easy, it gets the job done. Now let's take a look at Squarespace. So for Squarespace, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is simply sign up, and once you've signed up, it'll take you to a section of templates where you have to choose some different templates. Now, comparing the amount of templates that Squarespace has with the amount of templates that Shopify has, you'll see that Squarespace has quite a big menu of templates, and they are all pretty amazing, and they're all free. Like you don't have to pay for the different templates as well. Like they're free. You don't have to pay crazy amounts of money to get a theme. Like over here, as you can see, I would say that Squarespace has much better themes comparing to Shopify. And over here, they can all be, filtered by categories, by different categories. So over here, we have all templates: art, design, photography, health and beauty, local businesses, restaurants, travel, home and decor, real estate and properties, and weddings, and many more. Like we can go ahead and check them out as well. And if you want an online store or a portfolio, which is what we're after, because we're trying to find the best website for artists, then the portfolios are the websites that I would choose. And if we look at over here, comparing the portfolio websites with Squarespace with Shopify, you can clearly see that the winner is Squarespace, and that they have a better variety of templates to choose from. Now the process is pretty simple as well. All you have to do is just simply hover your mouse over a theme that you want, and over here just simply click on start with the name of the theme. So this one is Beaumont, so let's just start with Beaumont. I don't know if I'm saying that name right or wrong, but whatever it is, let's just go with it. So over here, just simply enter in the name of the site that you want, and then simply continue, or you can skip it and name that site later. But I'm just gonna go ahead and add my name over here and click on continue. next, get started. So over here, as you can see, this is the theme that I've chosen, and it's pretty simple, it's pretty cool. And to edit this theme, all I have to do is click on edit over here at the top, and it'll take me to the tool where I'll basically have to edit this theme. And Squarespace has a lot of tools that we can use to edit them. Like if you want to change up these images, just simply click on manage project, and over here we can change the images. Like we can click on this image over here and we can delete the image, or we can move the image down or move the image up. And if anyone clicks on this image, like this is the watch image, this is the 5-pack watch image, like it's pretty cool, it's pretty easy. And if you want, you can delete them as well. And if you want to add more images, just simply click on this button over here and you can go ahead and add more projects and stuff like that. So this is project 1, this is project 1. Let's just check out this one over here. So if I wanted this project to be added, so over here, as you can see, these are all the images over here, and we'll basically just simply save it, click on save. And then over here, this is the 5 projects over here. Like these are all the images that we get. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. And once you have done editing it, all you have to do is just simply close it up, because it's already published. As you can see over here at the top, it's published. So close it up, and that is basically it. So, and after that, you can just go ahead and check out the settings and sites and pages and scheduling and stuff like that if you want. And that is basically it for Squarespace. That is how you basically apply different themes and edit different templates and stuff like that on your website. And so now let's move on with the features and applications of both of these websites. So for features, I think Shopify is ahead of Squarespace, because if we come over here onto their dashboard and click on applications over here and click on view more applications, we'll basically get to see their app store. And I have to tell you, all of their applications are really helpful and they work really well as well. So over here, as you can see, these are the applications that they have. Like they have 6 applications in total, and they all are really good. Like they have Obrello. This is one of the best ones that, in my opinion, like it really helps you to take your dropshipping game to the next level. And then they have Google channels. Basically, you'll be able to use Shopify to reach other shops across Google. They have Facebook channel as well and stuff like that. Now, if we go ahead and check out on Squarespace and compare these applications with Squarespace extensions, you'll see that Squarespace has much more applications, but the number of useful applications are really low. Like they only have a couple of them, such as MailChimp, and then we have ShipStation over here, and then they have some other integrations that we can use to sync our Squarespace store to other websites. Like that is basically it. Like they only have 3 or 2 applications that are really useful. So in terms of features, I guess Shopify is better than Squarespace. Now, if you're wondering which one of these 2 websites is better for artists, then the answer should be clear to you by now. The answer is Squarespace. Like as I told you before, if you are trying to show off your work and your work is more portfolio based, then of course you're gonna have to go with Squarespace, because they have a much more better variety of templates and website options to choose from. Now, don't get me wrong, Shopify is a pretty amazing website, but you have to understand that Shopify is mainly used for e-commerce purpose. Now, Squarespace is also used for e-commerce purposes, but over the course of years, they've developed and they've taken their websites to a whole other level. Like it's not just limited to e-commerce. Like people come over here for portfolios, people come over here for podcasts, and many other reasons. Like when they come over to Squarespace, they make a lot of different websites and they have a lot of different options, whereas Shopify is only used for e-commerce store. So for that reason alone, I think that Squarespace is a better option for you to use. So having said that, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys know which website to use as a artist. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.